Distinct means clearly separate or different, while distinctive means something unique that stands out. Let's go through the first six questions together. Number one, the smell was blank. Now, do we mean the smell was unique and standing out? Or that it was just clearly different? Here, distinct fits better because we mean the smell was clear and noticeable. So the answer is the smell was very distinct. Great job. Next up, question 2. He has a blank voice. Now, a voice that stands out, unique to him. That's distinctive. If I said his voice was distinct, it just means clear. But here we mean it's special, right? So, he has a distinctive voice. Perfect. Number 3. The two colors are blank. We are comparing colors. That means they are clearly different from each other. So, the answer is distinct. The two colors are distinct. Moving on, question 4. That pattern is really blank. A pattern that stands out has a unique look. Yep, that's distinctive. So, that pattern is really distinctive. Nice one. Question 5. Their roles are blank in the group. We are saying their roles are separate and different. So the answer is distinct. Their roles are distinct in the group. Excellent. You are doing great. Finally, question 6. She wears a blank hat. A hat that stands out, catches your eye. So the answer is distinctive. She wears a distinctive hat. Fantastic. And by the way, if the hat has a giant feather sticking out, it's definitely distinctive, unless everyone else is also wearing bird nests on their head. So, quick recap, distinct means clearly separate or different, while distinctive means unique and standing out. Now it's your turn. Try the extra exercise from 7 to 12 on your own, and then check the answers near the end of this video. And remember, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. It helps me a ton. Thanks, my friend.